There's no windows. 17,900. Yeah, boys, before we start today's video, I just want to let you know that I'm gonna be at the event the Guitar Magazine 1 and Dirty Mike Jacks are putting together. It's gonna be June 23rd. It's a Sunday. It's gonna be at Cecil County Dragway. So I'm gonna be taking the truck and the VAT. It's gonna be my first time drag racing. So if you are there, you know, stop by and let's hang out a little bit. If you are from Jersey, you want to go, and if you want to meet up before we go, I'm probably gonna leave Jersey around, I don't know, 6 o'clock in the morning. I will bring the truck and the VAT. If you want to meet up before, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, send me a DM, we can arrange for it. But if you are from the area, let's hang out. So I hope you guys enjoy today's upload. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. Well, I'm not in the garage today because I need to register the Corvette, and I thought, you know what, I would do that and maybe share some information, because as you guys know, I bought the car from another state, and then I have to do all the title and everything else, which is always fun, as you guys know. I hope it's not that busy today, and then maybe we're gonna get some mods to the VAT eventually. It's so much fun to drive this car. The only thing though, it's hard to see, it's hard to vlog. It's hard to vlog and drive because it's a manual one. Dude, man, I don't know why people don't wanna drive manual. It's so much fun. I get it if it's for work, maybe you're gonna be tired, but dude, for having fun, that's the best thing ever. Let's celebrate the state of New Jersey is ripping you off with tax. Yep, I got back from the motor vehicle, I got the plates, and by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, I posted on Instagram ideas for the license plate, but unfortunately you have to send an application. The state of New Jersey, you need to get a regular license plate and apply for the custom one. So my plans for today, I was supposed to get a window stand for the Corvette. There's no window stand on the front windows. I want to match with this. I think it's gonna be too dark. But we'll see. I'm probably gonna match. I tried to get an appointment to get that done today, but the guy didn't reply to me. He can call me anytime now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the license plate on, and I'm gonna remove the brake caliper. So that's gonna be the first mod for the VAT. And mine needs to do something on the front. So let's see. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'll see you Tuesday. Thank you, man. Since we don't have the appointment for window stand, I'm gonna do one thing with the VAT, which I'm gonna remove the brake caliper cover. It's missing one. We have one here, and here we don't have it. See, here there's nothing here. I just wanna match for now. This one, I'm gonna remove this one, and I will keep the front. I know it's a fake thing, it's not the real caliper, but this thing is expensive. It's like $150 for like 4. Because I'm not gonna do anything right now with it, I will keep the fronts and remove the back one just to the entire car, it's kind of match, alright? Should be really fast, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys how much I paid for the VAT. it's a cover, you see, nothing special. There's just two bolts, one here, one down here, and you remove it. I don't think you even need the bolts. No, it's really tight. And two things I need to show you guys. I'm using a stand now, and I got a torque wrench. So I did the truck already, because some people ask me, oh, you didn't use one of those. Because I didn't have it. So I got it today, and I torque all the lug nuts from the truck. So if you were triggered from last video, don't be, because it's fixed. These covers are so expensive, as I said, and it's like a piece of plastic. I want to show you guys one more thing. You see here, I don't even know that if this is a front splitter. Yeah, but it's really bad. You see, I'll probably remove this part here since it's broke, and I'll leave the middle one, like the center. But this one I'll definitely remove it, you know, because it looks bad. Look at this. Not sure how good you guys can see, but the centerpiece is still there. Just look better because it was falling off. So I might get new ones until I get like the front splitter, but for now it's this. But without further ado, let's talk about how much I paid for the Corvette, and those are the lights for the Corvette, but that's next video. Yeah boys, finally we get to talk about the Corvette story and why I got from Texas. You know, it's gonna be a little bit of talk, but I think it's good for you to understand why I got the Corvette, why I went to Texas, and the main topic is how much I paid for it, right? Long story short, you guys know I always mention that I want a project car. Probably I didn't mention exactly the Corvette was my main goal. The idea before was get something else and then get the Corvette. The idea was last summer. You know, I took the time and I said I'm not getting anything now, and I'm gonna wait so I can get the Corvette, which is my dream car. And I know for you, if you have a C7 or you're thinking about to get a C8, maybe a C6 is not a big deal, but I believe for me it's my first step on Corvettes, and it's something I can afford right now, and I'm happy. It's my dream car. I never thought I would get this, but again, that was hard work, you know. I gave up a lot of stuff, but anyway, I started looking for Rio since January. So January I started looking in and seeing my options. I looked at a couple of C5s, but I didn't want the C5. I don't know why. There's no specific reason why I don't want to. I was like, you know, I'd rather save a little bit of money and get a C6. So since January, I was looking for a lot of Cars Guru, Cars.com, Facebook Marketplace, everywhere. I was looking for, I probably knew, you know, from my price range, I knew every single Corvette on the market by that time. 3 months after, I found a couple of Corvettes. I found one in New Jersey, C605, the first generation of C6. And my budget was $20,000. That was my max budget, including tax and everything else, all right? So I went and test drove that car. 65,000 miles on it, but my main concern was it's a 05 first generation of C6 thing. The main thing was they were asking $22,000, and 22 plus fees and everything else, I would be out of pocket 24. You know, I was giving up trying to find something, and I saw actually my father-in-law saw this car in Texas, and I was like, wow, that's really cheap. This car was listed for $17,900, right? I called a dealer in Texas. They were very nice. They explained everything about the car, and I told them, hey, I wanted the car. I'm from New Jersey, and I don't know how that is gonna work, because, you know, what happens if the car is not what I can see on the pictures. So we did a couple of FaceTimes, probably like 3 or 4 times. So I saw the details. I was aware of everything the car had. After a lot of back and forth, we came up with the price. What the heck is that? Gee, a monster came to my garage. A lot of people wanted that car, but I was the first one to call the dealer, so they were nice enough to say, hey, if you wanted a car, we can hold the car for you, but we cannot negotiate the price. Like, oh, there's a problem right there, because I want to negotiate it. Because I'm buying the car from other state, I don't pay taxes there, pay when I register here in New Jersey, right? So everything I'm gonna say now is just the dealer price and fees, and then I'm gonna tell you how much was the New Jersey tax. The final price for the car was $17,500. That's the lowest I saw a C6 with that much miles on it. I financed part of it. I put $11,000 on down payment and financed the balance. And another thing it's good to mention, if you are looking for a Corvette or any old car, it's really hard to finance a car older than 10 years. Just keep that in mind. So the final price of the car was $17,500. I have to pay a dealer a couple of fees, $150 fee for dock fees that they have to deal with, and every car they sell in Texas they have to pay $45 in tax out of pocket from Texas. All right, I flew there and out of pocket from Texas, $17,695. That's was the price of, let's say that was the price of the car, right? And they're gonna ask why you flew to Texas, because every car I saw, like this one, remember this is 07, 69,000 miles on. Okay, I put it 1,500 miles the first day. Everything I was seeing was like 20, 21. Plus all the sales tax on top of it. I always want to do a road trip with my wife. So we kind of combine those things. I paid $250 for each ticket, so another $500 plus gas. I'm not gonna put gas here. As you guys saw on the video, I spent like 4 tanks, so it's like $40. Let's say another $120 in gas. And now I just registered today the car here in New Jersey. When you go to register, you have to pay for license plates if you don't have one. You have to pay for sales tax and the title. So all that combined, I put another $1,269. On top of $18,200, we need to put another $1,269. Out of pocket, paying tax, included the tickets flying to Texas, gas, title here in New Jersey, everything, $19,500. That's how much cost my C6 Corvette. So as I said in the beginning of this video, my top budget was $20. So I came $500 under, and was my goal. I'm happy with it so far. I hope you guys enjoy it. I always get confused when I share this kind of information with you guys. When I'm looking for videos, I want people to be honest, and that's what I'm being honest with you. My budget was $20,000. I did my best, and to be honest, I never thought I would fly to Texas to get a car. And it wasn't hard. If I did, you also can do. So if you're here for the first time, subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of content, a lot of truck stuff, a lot of Corvette stuff. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I hope you know the information it's helpful to you, and I hope to see you guys next week. A lot of things coming to the channel. As always, don't forget, enjoy life.